My name is Yijie Huang, and here's my research proposal presentation. This question is, do different types of persuasion lies affect interpersonal trust differently? Here's my agenda of the proposal presentation. About some background information of the study. So my question is, do different types of persuasion lie will affect the trust differently? So trust is very important in our daily relationship with others, and previous researchers have already identified that deception or lies are the most harmful things to trust. But actually, recently, some researchers also found out that it is not universal for all types of lie. There's one specific kind of lie called persuasion lie that will actually breed trust. So persuasion lie is some kind of lie that tell to kind of benefit others. And after realizing that they were told a lie, which is in order to help them, they will actually generate more trust towards those one who tell a lie. So that is some revolutionary idea about the relationship between trust and lies. And there's definitely different types of persuasion lie. And for example, some persuasion lie will be told in order to avoid the potential loss or help others to generate more gain. So then we would like to introduce another theoretical terms called loss aversion theory. So under the loss aversion theory, people found out that avoiding loss is much more psychological powerful than generating the gain. Because of this, I suggest that those lies that are told to avoiding loss might be more psychological powerful than those persuasion lies are told to generating gains. So that is the basic foundation of my current study. Then I would like to talk about the importance of my study and then the hypothesis. So in terms of the importance, my study could be a very good validity test for the idea that persuasion lies breeds trust. Because this idea is posted recently, and it is certainly lack of enough empirical evidence. So my study will be a strong, supportive empirical evidence for it. And the second and the most important intention to do my study is to distinguish the difference in affecting the trust across different types of persuasion lie, and to have a deeper understanding about the mechanism of the persuasion lie. So then I generate two hypotheses for my study. First one is persuasion lies will engender trust, and second is persuasion lies for aligning cost will increase more trust than persuasion lies for generating gains. In terms of the methodology, I use the deception games to capture and to manipulate the independent variable, which is the different types of persuasion lies. So in the deception game, there are two scenarios, and in each scenario, there are two conditions. So after doing the deception games, participants will either receive the avoiding loss persuasion lies or generating gains persuasion lies. And then they will come to the trust game, which is the game that intended to capture the dependent variable trusting behavior of the study. So in the trust game, participant would decide whether to put the money to their partner or not, which is also the partners in the deception games. So that is basically the methodology of the study. And here's the potential result that verifies my hypothesis. So as is shown in the right side graph, ideally, if all the data verifies my hypothesis, we will see the persuasion lies will overall generate more trusting behavior compared with the selfish honesty condition. And specifically, those lies that are told for avoiding loss intention would generate more trusting behavior than those lies for generating gains intention. So that is basically all my study, and thank you for listening to my presentation.